Imagine building a house. You want it to be sturdy and safe, right? Smart contracts are like the blueprints of your house in the world of blockchain. But just like a house blueprint needs to be checked for errors, smart contracts need special tools to find any bugs or problems. These tools act like inspectors, making sure your contract is built correctly and won't fall apart. Some tools, like Echidna, Medusa, and diligent fuzzing, are like testing your house with extreme weather. They throw random data at your contract to see if it breaks. Others, like Cypher and Addern and Slither, are like blueprint examiners. They look at your code for any potential weaknesses or errors. Then there's Halmos, which is like a super strict inspector who checks every single detail of your blueprint to make sure it is perfect. Foundry is a whole toolbox for building your smart contract, with tools for testing, deploying, and interacting with the blockchain. And lastly, Solidity is a database that collects information about security problems so developers can learn from past mistakes. By using all these tools, developers can make sure their smart contracts are safe and secure, just like a well built house.